Welcome to Lake Cafe at Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. Hey mango lovers, this mango season, do not forget to feast yourself into the amalicious desserts that we have. Hi, this is Ankita from HyBiz Tv and today we have Chef Sudhir from Novotel Convention Center. Hi Sudhir.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Great.
So what do we have today for the mango feast?
So we have various delights of mango.
Okay.
So we have around 6 pastries
Okay.
and 3 types of cakes,
Okay.
which we are promoting at La Cafe.
Okay.
So as a seasonal fruit and the king of the fruit mango, we have made this for you. And some of the pastries are like dulce, mango tart, milk
Okay.
chocolate praline eclair,
Okay.
and pistachio mango charlotte.
Okay.
So these are the key highlights of the mango promotion.
So, Chef, you've used a unique blend of flavors in this, as you said, basil and you said pista. So, what are some of the few ingredients or recipes that you can share from here, like quick recipes maybe?
Quick recipes, we have made the dulce
Okay.
paste, which we have made from the boiled milk made.
Okay.
So that we have had made the combination with the mango.
Okay.
So it is a good combination. And
Okay.
we also made the homemade pistachio praline paste, which
Okay.
adds a unique taste with the mango.
Yeah.
And we also made the Alfonso mango cake also, fresh mango almonds cake.
Okay. So, since these items are very unique, how long have you been chef and experimenting with mangoes?
So my experience as a chef, it has been like 15 years of experience.
Okay.
So every year we come across these seasonal fruit creations.
Yeah.
So in this we like to make the mango fruit more
Okay.
actually, and we love to make more creative with all these seasonal fruits.
Okay. So, you have mango feast every year here.
Yes.
And what are the type of mangoes you use?
We use basically the Benganpalli, Himayat, and
Okay.
Alfonso. These are the 3
Okay.
varieties of mangoes we use for the promotion.
Okay. And this event is till when?
This event is starting from 21st of May,
Okay.
and which we are going to do till 30th of May.
Okay.
So at La Cafe
Yeah.
from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay. So what exactly are these, chef? These looks very interesting.
Yeah, these are the mango coulis
Okay.
filled in the pipettes,
Okay.
which adds a unique flavor to the pastry while you are having a bite
Mhm.
of the mousse and with the tart. You can just pour it into the mouth so that
Oh,
you can
nice.
feel the flavor of the mango.
Yeah. It looks
And-
very unique. Actually, I haven't seen something like this before. And coming up to the cakes here, we see very decorative cakes with swirls of mango jelly, and then
Yeah.
you have cake with mango decoration
Yes.
here. So anyone who's celebrating their birthdays or having their parties probably can come here and order a cake. So what has gone into these cakes?
Like basically this is an pistachio praline charlotte cake.
Okay.
So which we have used the homemade pistachio praline
Okay.
and the mango jelly and mango Bavarian cream
Okay.
and the chantilly cream topped with chantilly cream and the fresh mangoes. And this is with the Alfonso mango
Okay.
and fresh white chocolate chantilly cream,
Okay.
and as usual a sponge.
Yeah.
So you can feel the taste of the chantilly cream and also the mango in it.
What exactly is this that you have swirling around?
This is a chantilly cream. It's a
Okay, chantilly cream.
Piped into the decor.
Okay.
decor.
So everything is looking very exquisite here. Is there anything else you'd like to explain? What exactly is this velvety texture that you have?
That is an mango basil petit gâteau.
Okay.
So we have the basil panna cotta inside it,
Okay.
which is an insert in it, and we also have the mango mousse, which is covered the basil panna cotta,
Okay.
and topped with the mango velvet white chocolate spread
Okay.
and a white decor.
Okay. And this one right here, you have a biscuit-like texture on the bottom.
Yeah,
So,
that is an eclair.
Okay.
It's a French eclair.
Okay.
So which we have piped again with the pistachio mango cremox
Okay.
and topped with the mango whipped ganache.
Mhm.
We have the mango jelly
Yeah.
and our logo.
And this one is with the chocolate, right?
Yeah, it's a milk chocolate praline mousse.
Okay.
It's again insert of milk chocolate brulee
Okay.
and mango, Alfonso mango mousse.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is
Everything is very interesting and unique, guys.
Yeah.
So, look in the camera and tell to all Hyderabadis why they should come here.
As you know that we all love to eat mango, which is a king of the fruit. So come and experience the delicacies which are made with the mango, with combination of different unique flavors. అందరూ వచ్చి మన మ్యాంగో ఫ్రూట్ ప్రమోషన్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. లైక్ ఇట్స్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ different flavors, and you can experience a unique taste palettes in this promotion. అందరూ వచ్చి ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Welcome.
Thank you. My eyes are actually, getting brighter and brighter with the shades of yellow from the mangoes that we have in mango deserts in front of us. So anyone who loves mangoes or want to try something in this season must come here. This is a must do. And Chef is going to present you with the best that he has. Is this a jalebi or a mango swirl? This is for you guys to decide. And here we are having the mango feast from 21st to the 30th. So do come here and have a blast having mango desserts on the counter.